We're going to do another snow blowing video for you just to show what a little bit more snow can do. That's all the snow I'm getting, really. I got maybe 3 inches of snow here. But I will take you, if you stay tuned to the end, I'll take you off-road a little bit so I can show you what it does off-road. There's a little bit more snow in the backyard just because I don't snow blow it. But I throw it into a pile, so stick to the end and you'll kind of see that off-road or off-driveway and off-sidewalk. But you'll see the end of my driveway a little bit, how it handles with that little bit more packed snow from the lovely snow plows. I'm sure once I get done here, they'll come through again and plow me back in. So let's get to it. Doing the very best, guys. My camera keeps freezing up, but I'm going to hopefully get down this stretch and come back for you. So before my camera freezes up, I'm out of here. Okay guys, I'm trying with in the backyard a little bit. I am spinning, but like I said, this is off-road, so I'll try getting a few more swipes in here before my camera freezes up again. Well, as you guys can see, I'm back inside. I was drinking the water off my whiskers. I was out there driving around on that thing. One other recommendation, get the cab over thing. I don't know how much that thing is, but I'm sure it'd save you some ice on the old whiskers there. But it saves you from having to carry a water bottle, I guess. So, but I did get you some footage. I hope it's enough to kind of show you guys what it does in a little bit deeper snow. We did not get as much as everyone else did. We have a 2-foot snowdrift right behind my garage. I got maybe 3 inches in the driveway, but anywhere on the sidewalks, it was 6 inches to right down to nothing. There's parts of the sidewalk actually showing yet, so I would say an average of about 4 to 5 inches is what we got completely. But I tried keeping the camera going as much as I could. I put these little heaters on the back of the camera just to help keep it warmer longer, but it just wasn't enough. It is cold, 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 cold. So a call out for Justin. I'm not going to slaughter his last name. It starts with an L. He's leaving comments down below. So call out to Justin. Thank you very much for requesting the video. Like I said, I hope this is enough. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. Have a good day. Stay warm this winter. And catch you on the next one. Make sure you hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so you get the notification as soon as I put the video up. See ya.